Something I thought I'd never do is sell the camper van, and she's just been sold. I am now walking through Brundall. I'm walking through the boat yards at Brundall, having just left Brundall Bay Marina and Norfolk Yacht Agency, where I've just signed for and completed the purchase of our boat. Really sad, really sad for the camper van to go. But this is a new chapter. We will still be Waggies Travels, we will still be Waggies Cruising, and we will still be out and about. We still have everything we need to go camping with, and sorry, just looking for the boat. Everything we need to go camping with, and we shall do it. Right, I'm now heading towards Brundall Station. I think we're going to be seeing a fair bit of this place for our travels. The boat won't be moored here, unfortunately, because we couldn't get a mooring here, but I'm hoping to get it back here within a very short while. So I'm trying to work out what side I need to be on. It's right, that looks about it. 9:25. This will be the one we want. Here comes transport home. Well, first for me, after working on the London Underground, I've never been on the Elizabeth line, and I'm on the Elizabeth line now. I've just realised how exhausted I look. I've been up since 1 o'clock this morning. It's now 12 o'clock midday, and I've had 3 hours sleep. I'm absolutely wrecked, and I've still got another 5 hours on trains because I'm going to miss one by about 4 minutes. Such is life. Anyway, Elizabeth line, it's really nice. Carriages are nice and big, much like the new Metropolitan line stock, I should imagine. Nice and big, roomy.
This is the train to Paddington.
Here we go, Paddington. We'll have that. Hello. This has got to be the scariest thing I've done in a long time. This is our boat.
I'm too scared to speak.
Do you want to tell everyone what the... Go that way.
What, straight on then?
No, yeah.
Oh, that boy you mean?
There's something there. Then straighten up. Yeah, tell everyone what the broker did while he was getting the boat out in case we damaged it.
He crashed it.
He crashed it.
It's made a hole in the side of our boat.
Yeah.
And we've only just picked it up.
Yeah.
We will we'll show you in a little while.
At the moment.
But I've got sweaty palms at the moment. Oh my god. It is so windy.
It's so windy we are being blown from pillar to post. So
You shouldn't have to steer this much.
you won't, it's just because you're getting used to it. You're getting used to it. Anyway, we have our boat. We have Nauti-Rascal and we are on our way to Loddon.
Oh my god, his brain don't work.
Yeah, we've been cruising for 40 minutes.
Have we?
Yeah.
Oh, 40 minutes already?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I know, the steering wheel's going like I'm in a rally car, but seriously, I'm looking through that front bit to try and keep us steady, and I'm trying to keep in the middle because there's nothing else on the river, so that we're not blown anywhere near the bank. So that's my logic.
We will, I'm probably not going to do a lot of filming, to be quite honest, because it is so windy and the concentration levels.
We've tried out the local pub, mind. We have done that.
And we booked the table for tonight.
And I tried the Broads gin. It was a big thumbs up. So anyway, priorities. Priorities.
Right, we'll be back when we're not so scared.
Okay, do we look scared?
Yes. We've done it. We have arrived. We are not actually in the marina, purely because they've got to move a boat out of where we are going. But we have arrived. Things seem to be, I don't want to tempt fate, but things seem to be okay. I must admit, bringing a boat of this size that I've not ever driven before down the cut from Loddon into Loddon was scary, was very scary, and the wind, oh my god, was horrendous. So, but we made it. We've got lots to do, lots to dig out, lots to find, lots to clean. And unfortunately this is literally a flying visit to move the boat to then get it to where it is now. But both Lisa and I are back in work on Wednesday. So we've got one night on the boat and then driving back tomorrow night. So wow, what a day, what a day. I didn't think that within a year of hiring our first boat I would be sitting on a boat, especially not something like this. I just didn't believe that it would happen, but it has.
And we haven't got any wine.
And we haven't got any wine, but we do have a wine rack and a pretty noisy fridge, to be quite honest. But
You've got a what?
noisy fridge, a noisy fridge. So yeah, Maria. Right, I'm sure Lisa will come and say something in a minute. Are you going to come and say something?
Hey?
Are you going to come up and say something?
I'm unpacking.
Hang on a minute, let's show you what Lisa's doing. There you go.
Hello.
She's doing stuff.
I'm always doing stuff. But I am just putting towels in the bathroom. So there's a little shelf. So I'm rolling the towels up. Oh, yeah, it's going in the little shell. I'll be back. Hold on.
She'll be back.
Do you want to see what I've done?
Yeah, come on in. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Excellent. Excellente.
There we go.
Yeah, I think we might need to get new lights for this. Oh no, hang on a minute.
No, it just may take a little while to warm up.
Yeah, she is an old boat, so we're not going to expect miracles.
I thought you were talking about me then.
No.
An old tub.
Yeah. So.
Anyway, that's the last of the black bin liners empty. And then I bought this as a little rug. And I think when the weather's nicer, it's going to go out there.
They'll have teak decking out there.
Okay. So it'll go out there for when we're having drinky poos on the.
Excellent. We can't find a big table, can we?
That's tomorrow's job. Is this your bag of clothes?
Yes. So right, back in a second. We're going down the pub in a minute.
We are.
Come on then. Your sum up today.
Tiring, exciting, scary.
Yeah.
When you brought all those bags on the boat, I thought, oh my god, like everything's going to go everywhere.
Yeah.
That last little bit of the windy river was nail biting. But I was brave, I climbed out and sat out the front, and I need to practice throwing a rope because it nearly caught it.
I love it. I love it. What about the dent?
Wow.
I'll insert a
It's
picture.
unfortunate, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's just weird. Like I said, our wedding, we had to drive up in the worst storm that England's had for decades.
Yeah.
And today, picking up our boat was the windiest anybody here has seen in living memory. So
there you go.